The MSc in Computer System Engineering is ideal for those looking to master in integration of software and hardware systems. The program includes training in system design, real-time embedded systems, robotics, and data communication. Students explore the core principles that drive the seamless interaction between digital hardware and intelligent software skills that are in high demand across industries, including automation, telecommunication, and manufacturing. With a balanced focus on theory and application, students engage with the current technologies and research to solve real-world engineering challenges. The curriculum builds critical thinking, analytical abilities, and technical know-how required to develop and maintain complex systems. Graduates will have the necessary skills to contribute to innovations in robotics, industrial computing, smart systems, and other fields where hardware-software interaction is crucial. The program also prepares students for advanced research in academia. Whether working in Kurdistan's emerging tech sector or pursuing opportunities abroad, graduates of the MSc are positioned to make a meaningful impact in engineering and technology.